Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kasexing Tech na. So, nandito ako ngayon sa Ayola, Bitiri, Ayoberta Medical Center. Magpapahilot ako. Massage. Kasi masakit yung aking mga balakang. Yung balakang kong kaliwa. So, pupunta na tayo din. Guys. Tara, let's go. It's ready?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the one, guys. So, So dito daw ilalagay, guys, ang gamit. Ayan. So over here. What should I remove?
Yeah, you can take off your all dress. You can only get this disposable panty and the. Okay, after you can just put this towel also.
Okay. Ready na ako mga ka-selfie. Hubad na ako ng pantalon. Okay. Ayan. May binigay sila sa akin. Ito, hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Underwear. Magka-underwear ako. Ang tanong, kasya ba yun? Wait a minute.
Okay.
Hindi kasya. And this one, so what is this? Haircut. Come. For what is this?
This is using for bra. You can tie it here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, I don't know. Can you help me?
Okay. 1 second.
You have cup for the hair?
Yeah. First of all, we have a head massage. Is it okay?
Yeah, of course. Why not?
Can you please sit here?
Guys, may bra. Sit!
No, you can sit here first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bakit may ganun? Teka lang guys, may nilulutong mantika. So, may niluluto siyang mantika. Mainit. So, antayin natin to. Magluluto yata kami ng ng bihon o kaya ng inihaw na hipon. What? So I put this way, no problem.
No, we have that one. It's our
Because
procedure.
the light is different. It's not showing. This is the oil. Okay. I'm a vlogger.
Okay.
I put this in my YouTube channel. Kaya to. Yan. The
Is it okay putting oil in your head?
Sure. That's good. All right. Oh, there's something moving in my head. That's good. Very nice. Oh, nice. Little harder. Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes. Okay.
It's not hurting, no?
Fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I feel good.
Do you have any hair tightening fluid?
Kala ko lulutuin ako. Pakita mo yung light. It's lit there. Alright.
When you start your like this skin?
Already 1 month now. You see?
Yeah.
You feel it?
Yeah, I will see also.
But it's not contagious, I mean. It's not transferable.
Itching, no?
It's not transferable because this is...
It's not itching, no? Is it okay?
Yeah, fine, totally fine. Before I come here, I drink medicine.
Okay.
So, sarap na, sexy. Kailangan talaga natin ang hilot. Massage. In Tagalog, you know Tagalog massage?
No.
Hilot.
Hilot, I don't know that.
Hilot is like that, the one you're doing right now.
Okay.
Tagalog word. If you see Filipino, you want hilot? you would totally like that. How is my hilot? Filipino. You can ask, how is my hilot, good or not good? You will surprised that you know that hilot.
Is the hand pressure okay?
Yeah.
If you have any discomfort, you can just tell me, okay?
No problem. I will react. It's itchy now, my feet.
See.
So, mainit pala yung guys. Yung oil. It's little kinda hot. But not much. You can tolerate. I can adjust. We will do steam also.
Yeah.
We will do steam mamaya, guys. So, ayan guys. Thank you for watching sa aking vlog. Kung bago ka pa sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe at babalikan kita. Thank you for watching guys. Let's see you next vlog, mga sexy.